Hey, it's Dan with the Sassy plant. And I wanted to answer one of the questions that we get asked quite often, and that is, how long does it take basil to propagate? So the answer to that is it usually takes somewhere between 2 to 4 weeks for basil to propagate. And if you're gonna propagate basil from grocery store clippings, you're gonna buy some basil from the grocery store, just like this. And you're gonna do some clippings, and we described that in another video, so go check that one out, how to propagate basil. We tend to like to use salt and pepper shakers actually to put the clippings in. It's because they're narrow at the top and they're nice and wide at the bottom for root growth and to hold lots of water. So the narrow opening at the top means that your clippings aren't going to fall in and get submerged into water. So after 2 to 4 weeks, you're going to see some root growth here. And at that point, your clippings are ready to be potted into a big pot and turn into a big, beautiful basil plant like this one here. And for bonus points, you can paint a rock and turn it into your label for your plant. So you can see this one here is pretty creative with all the different colors, so that's pretty fun. So yeah, it's going to take a few weeks for you to see any kind of root growth on your basil. So if you've got it growing in your kitchen window, just be patient. The majority of the root growth tends to happen towards the latter end of that 2 to 4 weeks. So go ahead, propagate some basil, have fun, be patient, and until next time, I'm Dan with the Sassy Plant, and I'm out.